Hey guys, James from LVG here. Just a quick rundown of the new ISR pack. ISR stands for Intelligence, Surveillance and Reconnaissance. This is a new mid-size field pack that we've been working on with Sword and Roker 30. It's bigger than a day pack, smaller than a ruck. It's designed for anyone that wants to carry a practical size shooting style tripod and a spotting scope separately in independent pouches in a way that you can access it comfortably from outside the pack without having to open it up and tear the whole thing apart just to get out basic equipment. It's constructed of 500 denier Cordura nylon. The initial run will be in ATAX IX, which is our standard camouflage pattern. Some of the main features externally are the molly field up the top here, molly pals. It's 6 columns wide, so you can have numerous accessories pouches, magazine style pouches. These are the Platattack and low vis long action AI magazine pouches here. There's 2 of them. They won't come with the pack, they're standalone items that you can purchase through our website. The molly field at the top there, a small Velcro patch for name tags and all that kind of stuff, so you can see which is yours in a field of packs at a match or at work. It's got a 3-dimensional zippered pouch on the front here for numerous smaller items, data boards, battery banks, pens, earplugs, earmuffs and all that kind of stuff. That's just a basic dump pouch on the front. We tried to make that as wide as we can. It's a full width of the front lid. It's got a padded spotting scope pouch down the side here. There's 6 removable compression straps on the external pockets, and what that allows you to do is to protect or carry a full-size spotting scope, either a Leupold Mark IV in a Badger slick rail or something like a Vortex 27-60 with an angled eyepiece. That'll fit in the full length of this pouch here. And it's got closed cell foam padding throughout. Everywhere except the inside panel is protected with foam, just to make sure you look after your expensive optics. So that's on one side. Another good feature about this pouch is that it'll fit and hold our enhanced shooting mat perfectly in there, with a little bit of room at the top for a beanie or something like that. That's another good way of carrying bulky, big items, puff jackets. On the other side, we've got the full-length tripod sleeve. Again, 3 compression straps on this one that are removable if unnecessary. However, I think these are more important than the spotting scope ones. This is designed to carry a really right stuff TFCT 34 tripod or similar. It'll hold a Mission Critical Designs PRST and some of the Leo Photo 364 style tripods. It prefers the narrow apex heads up here. However, it can tolerate the larger ones. It is a big, long sleeve. It's reinforced down the bottom with double layer Cordura, and it's also got a drainage eyelet as well. This is one of the main features of the pack, being able to carry a big tripod and get at it without any fuss. It's got a carry handle up the back there, just a simple webbing carry handle. It's got a hydration port into the main compartment of the pack. That's an important feature. It's got load lifters to get the straps to sit comfortably, depending on the size of your shoulders or what kind of clothing you're wearing. It's got nice 3D spacer mesh here with foam behind it. It's got a plastic frame sheet with aluminium crossover stays as well, so it'll give you the support you need to carry 10, 20, 30 kilos. It's not designed to carry 100 kilos. It's not a mountain ruck. It's not designed to carry the whole world. This is a practical backpack for reasonable field loads with this long-range shooting style equipment. The shoulder straps are contoured, and they're also the same padding and spacer mesh as the back panels. It's got a sliding sternum strap down here, just to help bring the shoulder straps in away from your shoulders to stop restricting blood flow. Basic hardware all the way down there. Down the bottom, it's got a standalone item which will come with this pack. It's the CTR belt version 2. The ISR will come with this, however you can buy that separately on the website, and the good thing about that is that you can remove that belt if you don't need it. You could have that and use it for competitions or for CTR style work with magazines, secateurs, binos, water bottles, bits and pieces, or you can leave it attached to the pack. It goes through the padded sleeve down the bolster, the bottom end there. You can rip it out and continue on. On the bottom of the bag, it's dual layer. There's 1000 denier Cordura on the bottom with foam, and then 500 denier internally to protect the contents of the pack. The main compartment has 2 compression straps here with the side release buckles. These operate independently of the 6 side compression straps, meaning you can have the center load snug right down while leaving reasonable access, easy in and out of the side products, or you can reconfigure the side buckles so they're feeding off the center ones, and when these are tight, it also compresses the contents of the side of the pack. So that's another minor detail, but also something to consider. The two main buckles are not removable. These two stay fixed to the pack all the time. Right. Undo them, and what you'll find is that there's a full length zip in a U shape all the way down the side of the pack, and this will allow you or provide you full access to the contents of the bag. The water bottle, first aid kit, data book, tools, support bag, admin items, hygiene stuff, tripod heads, a bit of netting, full-size camera. In the lid I've got a hat, got gloves, got a beanie, got batteries, and then paperwork, targets, and licenses and earmuffs and stuff in there. It's got a full-length hydration sleeve on the inside with the HD mesh, and that will let you put a full-size bladder or control some of these more finicky items inside the pack. Again, to do it up, hold it shut, one zip, all the way around the outside. Do up the two compression straps, and you're done. So this is the ISR pack from LVG Gear. Further information is available on our website at lvggear.com.